Okay, video recording started. Flying insects are on my face. No obstacle avoidance because of me. FPV mode. We'll have a look around. Press down the side of that fence. I'm going to do a little bit of a range check here too, I think. See if we can get to the water. There's the causeway. $2,400 feet. $3,000 feet.
Maximum altitude limit reached.
Stay below max altitude, legal altitude by staying at the setting I set. We got another 17 feet we can go. There's a bird. Is this a seagull? 4,500 feet. We can get to some wet parts, but haven't reached the salty sand yet. And we're to 5,000 feet now. We're down a couple HD bars, now just down one HD bar. Now we have full signal again, 390 feet, so we've been climbing a little bit. We'll stay really close to 400 feet. And down a bar.
Maximum altitude limit reached.
6,000 feet. Turn this way just a touch. Go down a bar.
Maximum altitude limit reached.
Yeah, I tend to go high because I don't think about where my hand is, but we're going to stay. It's going to keep us below 400 if we keep hitting the top edge of the maximum altitude, so we're good. Still down one bar, we're 72. We'll just keep going as far as we can. It'll come back. We're going to hit 8,000 easy. $8,000 passed. Down 2 bars of HT. 9,000 passed. $95. Down 3 bars, back to 2 to 3. We're just hovering there at 3 bars now. There we go with 10,000 feet. Not yellow yet. Probably hit red when we turn around though. Go to 11, here we go. There's 11,000 feet. 2 miles, is that 2 miles? 75% on the battery. $11,800, $11,900, 12,000 feet. Still white. 3 bars. 3, maybe 4. I can't count them. Maybe that's 4. My goggles are full, so no more screen recording. So I'm gonna have to count out the 13. We hit 13,000 feet. We're down to 2 bars now. It's still not yellow though. We're gonna hit 14, I think. We'll hit 14. Okay, now we're yellow and we're 14. Now I'm just gonna really slowly turn around. Now it's red. Still have control. Now I'm back to yellow again. So we're 14,064 feet away. That's pretty good. See how long it takes us to get the signal back to white. I'm finding insect in my ear. Okay, back to white at 12,621 feet. Then back to yellow again. But I have been descending. I'm almost down to 300 feet now. I'll keep going down a little bit, I think. I'm going to turn a little bit.